What's up people, what's up viewers? My name is lled and this is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. It is always important for you to like and subscribe. It is very important for you to like and subscribe. Now people, viewers, there was an incident in downtown Kingston where a man lost his life after he was shot by the JDF, Jamaica Defense Force, Jamaican soldiers. And yes, the police them confirms that the incident happened. Also, there is a video going around on social media showing the moment that the man was shot by the security forces by a JDF member. The incident occurred on Law Street. It is below the Central Police Station on East Queen Street. Now listen to this article. Man killed by soldier near SOE checkpoint in Kingston. The Constabulary's Corporate Communication Unit has confirmed that a man was shot and killed by a soldier this evening in the area known as Tel Aviv in Kingston. The man was shot in close proximity to the state of emergency checkpoint. The police have not yet revealed his identity, but he is said to be known as Skillibeng in the community. Unconfirmed reports are that he attempted to move a barrier. And unconfirmed reports are that he attempted to move a barrier and got into an altercation with a soldier. He was shot during the altercation. Now people, viewers, there will be many different types of reaction to this incident. Some reaction will be them always a fight the police and the soldier them, and them nah fight the gunman them. Every day are something new, every day are something else. Police them are wicked, the soldier them are wicked. And that's why me not feel no way when gunman kill them. Or that soldier there are wicked because him kill the man for nothing at all. Well, I personally would support that last reaction. And the reason why that is the reaction that I would have, that's the reaction that I would support, is for the fact that I saw the video. I saw the video of the man being killed by the soldier. But you people, viewers, where is your reaction coming from? Why do you have the reaction that you have? Did you see the video? Did you receive full details on what happened? If not, you need to go get the real details, the confirmed details, including the video, and watch that video and form an opinion for yourself. Don't recycle someone else's opinion. Don't give an ignorant reaction. Think for yourself. Was the soldier right? Was it justified for the soldier to shoot that man? Things like, was he an immediate threat? Was he attacking the soldiers when he got shot? Or was he running away from the soldiers when he got shot? If you like police and soldier or not, that doesn't really matter. You need to look into what really happened at the incident, in this incident, and form your personal opinion on the incident, not a one-sided opinion. Now, as I said before, I personally saw the video and the man was running away from the police when he got shot. He was running away from the police. The video footage wasn't clear enough, as probably them I use an old phone from back in 2009. Anyway, the man's hand was clearly visible. Nothing was in his hand, but he was shot. And to really think about the situation, if he was definitely removing a barricade that was put there by the JDF members, then obviously you wouldn't have a knife or a gun and attempt to do that. That would have been very stupid, and as I've said before, I saw the video, so that wasn't the case. And at this point, the reason why he was removing the barricade, if he was definitely doing it, should be tossed out at this moment. A man was removing a barricade and he was shot by the soldiers. That's the only thing that he was doing. He didn't have a knife or a gun. And also a thing that I should have pointed out, after the man was shot by the soldier, they immediately turned their back to that man after he was shot. Now, people viewers, I have nothing else to say. My name is lled and this is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. It is very important for you to like and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. Big up on yourself.